What's happening, KINFOK? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are here at Duke's, and we are meeting Crew, Miguel, and Hector over here, man. And we actually left Crew's house a little bit ago. Ended up getting caught in the rain, bad rain, and I ended up losing them because they exited, and I didn't catch the exit quick enough. So ended up just coming straight over here. So they should be here in a little bit, man. But yeah, we're gonna hang out here at Duke's for a little while, and then we'll see where the day leads us. So we'll see y'all after a little bit. See you. Here I'm coming. Check them out. Yeah, baby, we made it. Bruh, that was a hard ass rain there for about 10 minutes. What's up, big dog?
It came out of nowhere.
I know, dude.
Well, that's used to look sunny,
man, they wanted to be just right there. Like.
Yeah. Yeah, because
we got wet, but we dry now.
Yeah, we dry already, man. But that shit hit pretty hard there for a second. So, but it's good now. It's good now. So, I was like, I missed that exit, dude. I was like, ain't no way I'm gonna be able to cut over that fast, dude.
Yeah, we were like, just go straight. We'll get you.
Yeah. So, all right, let's go inside, check it out, man. We'll holler at y'all in a little bit. KINFOK, we're headed to truck yard. So we're gonna go check out the truck yard, man, and see how that is. So we'll see y'all here in a little bit and enjoy the ride, because we're gonna get it, baby. Oh, and we're waiting for Joel. Joel's gonna meet us up there as well. Okay, folks, we just made it to truck yard. We're waiting for Joel still, but we got the crew here, man. And yeah, so we're about to head over in there and see what it's about, and we'll holler at y'all here in a little bit, man. See? What's happening, Kimbo? Look who made it. Joel made it in the house. Hey, and you made it right before the rain.
Yeah, I brought it with me.
He brought it with him, so now look at this shit. Look where we're at. We've been here a little bit already, and yeah, now it's raining. It's ass off, so we're gonna have to be here for a little bit because I don't know what the hell we're gonna do now. So we'll see what happens, man. But Joel's the one that brought it with him, so it's all his fault. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll let you know how long it lasts and what we end up getting into. Oh, appreciate it, bro. All right. Salud, everybody.
Salud.
Yeah. Salud, salud, salud. We are about to head out, man. We're gonna head to Cole Wetzler's Riot Room. So we're gonna go check that out. But the only bad thing is it's still raining. So yeah, there's that. So I don't know exactly how it's gonna go, but we'll see what happens, man. We'll take you along with us. All right, Kinfolk, we're about to roll out, man. We're gonna see what happens. It ain't raining bad, so Miguel said we got a little window, so we're gonna go ahead and get after it.
That didn't say shit.
Miguel, I mean Alex. Alex said we got So we're gonna try to get after it before it comes way down. Crew's coming. We made it. Finally.
Who has a wet butt?
I got a wet butt. We all got wet butt. Joel got pulled over, man, so we're pulled over on the side of the road to see what happened. Son of a bitch. We'll see. We'll let you know. Let's see if we can see him right here. So let's see what happens. Oh shit! Looks like he got let off with a warning. Oh. Holy shit! Damn, son! Let's go! Alright, we're headed out. Twin Peaks, baby, let's go. Damn! Yeah.
Message him, ask him where he's gonna meet us at.
Let me call him. The Twin Peaks? Okay, we're on our way. Alright, bye. He said go. Cool shit. Alright, KINFOK. So Joel says he's not gonna. Oh goddamn, we can't see nothing. It's dark as shit.
Yeah,
no, it's just dark, dude. But he said he's not gonna tell the story out here. He's gonna have to wait, or y'all gonna have to wait until we do a podcast. So Joel and I have been talking about doing a podcast, so we might have to do it. Let it down in the comments if you want us to do a podcast, so you can find out what happened about him getting pulled over. He's here, so he didn't go to jail, but it was a good story. It's a good story. So what do you think?
We need to make this happen like a postcard.
Yeah.
I'm drunk.
Yeah.
Don't post that.
So we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Listen.
What's up, KINFOK?
Hey, crew, appreciate you, brother. Had a great time. It was an amazing time. Amazing time. Miguel?
Hey, I was supposed to be home before the street lights came on,
Me
bro.
too, bro.
Shit.
Me too. Me too. Act that.
So, where we going?
Appreciate it, brother.
Where we going?
I gotta go to the house. The wife waiting for me, bro.
Oh, we got to go home.
We got wife waiting for me. But yeah. So, hey man, I appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, much love, much respect. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.